For creating short, open YouTube, just click the plus button and create short. You can. Hi friends, so welcome to this video. Here I will show YouTube, which has provided many features for creating a short. So let's see, we have created a short, we started creating. Let's see what are the options. Let's see, if you go to the effects, there you will see various effects like the clone effect, the clone and spin. You can see there's spinning, right? And then we have a mosaic bloom and duotone. Here there will be two shades of color, right? And you see it's very nice actually. Then we have a pixel grid. The photo will be appearing in this pixel format. It's very nice actually. And then we have a prism head. This is also good feature. And cyclic scan, okay, and then zooming, and then triple split is option. Zoom class frame, this is also cool feature which is provided by YouTube for the shorts, so the creator will enjoy really. Night vision, this is awesome a view that makes it really wonderful, I can say. Then we have a mirror side, then self flames, this is also a good one. Sparkles, this is really a cool feature which has been added. The object sparkles here. Going ahead, we have fish eyes, stumble face, and then psychedelic frames, right? Motion trail, this is also a good option. Blurred vision. Okay, so apart from motion trail, we have blurred vibes, that is also very good. You see the blurry image. And then wavy, it's also cool and old feature that is added in image processing. Then we have phase zoom, you can see the zooming effect. Then we have a mirror stack, and then Taj Mahal, so you see Taj Mahal behind. Yeah, very cool feature. Color trail, so if you see behind, there is a color coming out, it's like a star. Chromatic, soft light leak, so see there is sprinkling of light coming out from the head, good one. Bubble face, and then again rotating zoom, you see the beach behind. Yeah, Kilimanjaro, mouth zoom. This is again cool feature. Yeah, tunnel frames, an old option. Motion scan, and multiply the radial. If you see the radial effect, we have a multiple option. This is also big one. A big head, so old option, right? Space station, you can see behind. It's a cool feature again. And then we have a fast forward option, right? And then old TV like glitches, Super 2, and censored mouth option. You can use it as the comedy part. Northern lights, you see there, and then sky in the light. And then we see Venice, the scene of Venice is very cool feature as well. And then we have exposed film, infants and classic glow, some of the old option. Then we have Alomo, which is very old option as well for image processing. Sparkle burst, okay. And then slow zoom, if you notice it, you can find it. Yeah, left right delay, there is a bit delay in this half portion of image. Multiply reflections, and then videotape option. Half on, this was also old option that is used now. Liquify distort, slow motion out, and then slow zoom out, and then readed glass and pixelated. Yeah, this is also good option I can see, which we can use for. So this will really help the creator, right? And creator will really enjoy this, and I think this is a good option to show their talent again in the form of shorts. So I hope you enjoy this info, and I think you will also use it in your upcoming video. So all the creators, enjoy, and hope you like the video. So see you soon. Till then, thank you.